So, greetings all the delegates of Pune Trauma Operative Course. And this is the Atlas of Draping Techniques in Orthopedics, a video book that we'll giving complimentary to the delegates. The authors of this book are Dr. Madhav Khadilkar and Dr. Shantanu Deshpande, who have painstakingly written down these basic steps as well as made videos in detail about all the draping techniques in orthopedics. So we at PTOC believe that this will be a great addition to all the postgraduates as well as trainee orthopedic surgeons. So thanks both the authors for compiling this book. With this, I hand it over to Dr. Khadilkar for introducing the book. Over to you, sir.
Okay. Hi, everyone. So thank you, Dr. Ashok, for the kind introduction. I am Dr. Madhav Khadilkar. I work as a professor of orthopedics at Bharatiya Vidyapit Medical College. And we have co-authored this book along with Dr. Shantanu Deshpande, who is my colleague and also works as an associate professor at Bharatiya Vidyapit. I would just like to give a short introduction to how this book came into being. Dear all delegates who are attending PTC and all the residents and the people who are doing their MS or post-graduation, as you all know, that surgical site infection for an orthopedic surgeon is a nightmare. And the most important key to a good outcome from an orthopedic surgery is a proper draping. Campbell's Operative Orthopedics, the so-called Bible of all the orthopedic surgeons, says that draping should not be left to an untrained assistant or a junior. And if the junior is not properly trained, the surgeon who is operating himself should be doing the draping. Having said that, we both of us did a detailed search of the net and other literature, and we did not find any books or any literature on draping techniques, nor have the textbooks, the standard textbooks that the residents use for studying orthopedics, have any vividly described the proper draping techniques. Most of the draping techniques that the residents learn are from their seniors as hand-me-down, and who in turn have learned it from their seniors. Being in the teaching profession for more than 30 years, I realized that in most of the cases, the person who is operating joins the operating table only at the last moment when the patient is anesthetized, prepared, and draped. And the draping part of this is left to either a junior resident or a lecturer or somebody who is junior, and the surgeon comes in only after everything has been done and prepared. So this particular tendency or trend led me to start thinking that we should do something and come out with a pictorial atlas of proper draping techniques by which we can teach the residents as to what and how the draping should be done. In Shantanu Deshpande, who also works, as I said, as an associate professor along with me, I found a like-minded person, and we both decided to finally come out with this pictorial atlas and a video book. This book is a result of a very meticulous planning and execution of photography and videography, which we conducted at the Bharatiya Vidyapit Medical College Operation Theatre. With the help of some of the techniques have been shot with mannequins, and some of them on actual volunteers. And we compiled this thing. I have to specially thank Dr. Ashok for compiling all these videos together. Actually, draping is a technique or a procedure. So Ashok felt that we should compile all these videos together and come out with a video book, which the junior or young orthopedic surgeons can actually view and learn how to drape properly. So I'm really thankful to Ashok for doing all this, taking this effort and compiling these videos into this book and giving us the platform of OrthoTV to launch this book in this prestigious conference that is going to take place, the Pune Trauma Course, in this month. So with this short introduction, I would now like to start with the actual videos. And for the first video, which shows how to handle the drapes properly, some short tips about tourniquet application and laying of the trolley. I would now hand over the proceedings to Dr. Shantanu Deshpande. Shantanu, please take over.
Thank you, Khalid sir. So, as aptly described by sir, the thinking behind this book, we have used very commonly performed surgeries in general orthopedic practice, and we are trying to use them to make sure so that our draping is done properly. And the most important thing for this is to get your basics right. So draping is a very important step in any surgical procedure, and time and again this has proven, especially a practical experience you will feel, if it is not done right, you will struggle in some proximal exposure in doing a hip or in trauma, and so let's begin the chapters. And the first and foremost is the drape handling.